Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle is a binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, September the 17th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, and two puzzles are left, the tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyber block, and this one is a binary time. Yes, binary time. And this will be number, let me see, this will be number, which number will be this puzzle? Let me zoom this out. Yeah, this will be number 5191. Yeah, 5191. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row there are always 4 O's, and in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then I need to think now. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here the first one, second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. And then. Well, here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me think. Need to compare? That's the question. Need to compare? Well, I think we need to compare. Yeah. I need to compare here. We have here 1, 2 completed rows. Well, we need to compare this column and that column. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box. 0, empty box. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah, need to compare again. Need to compare again. Second time. Well, cannot compare this column. And do we have a double O? Yeah, need to compare this column and that column. Sorry. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0. Need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Alright, finish in 5 minutes with twice. You need to compare twice here. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.